Every bowl of Rainbow cereal starts with a perfect, fluffy mix of corn flour and sugar blends. Our high-speed mixing process creates a consistent texture that is essential for the next production stage. Liquids and flavor extracts are carefully introduced, transforming the dry powder into a moist, vibrant dough. Precision sprayers inject natural fruit flavors to ensure every single bite is packed with incredible taste. Thousands of pounds of this dough are prepped every hour to meet the global morning demand. The unique process pushes 7 different colored ropes through a specialized die head simultaneously. Our precision cutter stamps out each colored ring with absolute mathematical accuracy at unbelievable high speeds. Each cut is timed to the microsecond, ensuring that every ring is the exact same size and weight. This vibrant rainbow river of rings is the foundation for millions of delicious cereal bowls. These raw rings are now prepared for their journey through our temperature-controlled baking environment. Once shaped, it's time for the heat to create that signature, irresistible crispy morning crunch. Controlled air allows the rings to puff and roast, creating an incredibly light and airy interior structure. Emerging from the hot oven, perfectly roasted and airy, they are ready for their final flavoring. The rapid cooling process creates that irresistible crunch that every cereal lover truly craves. Now, for the flavoring event, the classic fruit coating is applied in a continuous, even mist. A thin, sweet layer that coats every single curve, creating a vibrant finish that melts in your mouth. Our high-speed coating ensures an even flavor on both sides for that perfect, delicious taste. Cooling down to lock in that signature fruit shine and ensure the flavor stays perfectly in place. The drying process is carefully controlled, ensuring the coating is smooth and completely dry before packaging. The special cooling process allows the glaze to set into a thin, hard shell that prevents sogginess. Only the finest, most perfect rings make it to the final box for our valued customers' enjoyment. Digital eyes scan every unit for the perfect shape and size to maintain our high-quality standards. Packaging begins as the bags are formed in seconds by advanced automated vertical technology systems. A mix of all 7 flavors is carefully packed with high-speed precision to ensure perfect variety. Sealing in the fresh aroma and the sweetness to protect the product during the long delivery journey. Once sealed, the bags move in a continuous line toward the final secondary packaging stage. Every bag is carefully guided through the system to maintain its integrity before entering the box. Precision weighing ensures that every single customer gets the exact amount of cereal they expect. Our automated tracking systems monitor every unit to maintain the high Forge Insider quality standards. Empty boxes are formed with lightning speed using advanced high-tech robotic folding technology. The boxes are prepped and ready to house our vibrant, colorful rainbow cereal bags securely. With surgical precision, the bags are inserted into their branded boxes without a single mistake. The top flaps are folded and secured, preparing the product for its final journey to you. A final touch of adhesive creates a secure bond, keeping the Forge Insider box perfectly sealed. Uniform pressure is applied to every box, ensuring a perfect finish that looks great on shelves. Every unit is marked with essential tracking data for total transparency and food safety protocols. The completed boxes race toward the grouping station as our production hits its peak speed. Digital eyes verify that every box looks absolutely perfect before it leaves our manufacturing facility. The boxes are organized into groups, making the final bulk packaging process fast and efficient. Individual boxes are now combined into master crates, ready for heavy-duty industrial transport. The crates move smoothly along the line, heading toward our automated storage and retrieval system. Massive robotic arms stack the crates into perfect pallets with incredible speed and power. Layers of protective wrap secure the entire pallet, ensuring nothing moves during the shipping process. This final protective layer keeps our products safe from moisture and dust during transit. The finished pallets are lifted and moved with ease by our high-performance industrial forklifts. Thousands of pallets are organized and stored, waiting for the morning delivery fleet to arrive. The facility doors open, signaling the beginning of the final distribution phase of the day. Our team works tirelessly to load the vehicles, ensuring the freshest cereal reaches your store. Every inch of the delivery truck is packed tight with sweetness, ready for the long road ahead. With the load secured, we are ready to bring the rainbow to breakfast tables everywhere. The forge inside the delivery fleet heads out into the early morning light to bring fresh treats to the entire city. Racing against the clock to ensure every box of rainbow cereal is on the shelf before the city wakes up. Arriving at the local store just as the first light of morning hits the quiet city streets today. The boxes are carefully displayed, showcasing the variety of rainbow colors we produce with such industrial precision. A customer finally picks their favorite box, eager to experience the legendary crunch of our high-tech production. At the breakfast table, the colorful rings fall into the bowl, ready for the ultimate morning experience. Adding cold milk completes the ritual, creating a perfect balance of sweetness and a satisfying crispy texture. That first bite reveals the incredible result of food science and engineering, delivered fresh to your home. Behind every bowl is a world of advanced technology and a passion for consistent industrial manufacturing excellence. Thank you for watching Forge Insider. Subscribe now to see more incredible industrial manufacturing processes revealed every week.